Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And welcome to this new video on Manta. Wasn't necessary. It's a bull run update again. In the end, it was a bullish flag, all right? So I've been covering Manta for the last couple of days daily. And if you watched my video yesterday and you understood it, because the analysis, I mean, I have to say it was probably a little bit to the more difficult side. But if you understood it, we talked about this, all right? We exactly talked about this because what we talked about yesterday, and we're diving right into the analysis, I know, but then the video stays nice and short so you can easily watch it. And it's also best because you get value for your time, hopefully. So what we said yesterday is that there was two ways to look at this. All right. First of all, if you looked at the momentum for Manta, what you saw is that there was a huge momentum increase earlier, and that yesterday that actually was decreasing. Or yesterday, no, this was in the evening. Yeah, in the morning, the open interest was really decreasing. So that is a bearish indication. So what we talked about yesterday is that this could either be a reversal from a very strong resistance level at 3.3 or the 1.618 fib, or this could be a bullish flag. All right, so a bullish flag is when there's a rally and then a bit of a flag in the form of a flag, right? So here you get the flag of the USA, a flag, and then if it then breaks out, you can actually rally up higher. It's a continuation pattern. So what I said yesterday is, well, the only way to actually find this out is what needs to happen is that Manta needs to break above this level at $3. So what did we do yesterday afternoon? From that support level at 2.8, we actually broke above $3. And what I said then is that I thought it was most likely that we would rally up to 3.3, 3.5, and then 3.75. And that's what we're doing right now. So if you follow the analysis, which I would definitely not recommend you to just follow an analysis on YouTube blindly, but if you watched it, you could have called this. And at this moment, I mean, if we purely look at Manta, momentum is still increasing. Momentum for the last 24 hours since yesterday morning has been increasing. All right, so open interest is increasing, momentum is increasing. We just had a bullish breakout above 3.3 last evening. We're making new all-time highs. 3.5 seems to have been broken. So then next are the price targets at 3.75, but my main price target right now would actually be $4. 3.75 and 3.5, the main reasons why I chose those levels as price targets is because they're psychological levels. Well, the best psychological level is $4, all right? The round numbers are the best. And then you also have the 2.618 fib there, which we already know that that's a relevant fib because the 1.618 was very much respected. So that's my main price target, all right? And at this moment, I have to assume that we're going to get there. Maybe we need to have another like bullish flag or some sort of consolidation in the middle. But getting there is my most likely scenario. Now, I'm not sure what the liquidity is doing and where most of the liquidity is. Maybe that's important to look at. Yeah, there's not a lot of liquidity to the upside. So look, a move like this is not guaranteed, but it does look most likely, especially going up to 3.75 at this moment. If we break above 3.5 is most likely, and then from there we'll see again. All right, if 3.75 barely provides resistance, $4 is easy. If it does provide a lot of resistance, then it's still a bit insecure because then we'll consolidate and we need to stay on top of 3.3, which if we don't stay on top of 3.3, then we're not going to hit $4. So we need to consolidate here, then get a bullish breakout, and then we can get there later. So that's all a bit more difficult, but short term, I do expect 3.75. I expect resistance there. If that's small resistance, so we can stay on top of 3.5 after hitting 3.75, then I expect $4. If we drop down below 3.5 from 3.75, then I expect 3.3 and a consolidation. I hope that's clear. I think it's a bit difficult again, but please ask me down in the comments, all right, if you have any questions. But for now, that's my video. That's my analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. I have not sent a signal on Manta. Well, I did back here. I told us to buy, but it just was one breakout too early. But if you're interested in trades, etc., consider joining. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.